Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this passion twist hair. This hair is popular, like what? But anyways, I'm going to show you guys how I did it. All the details for this hair will be in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. I'm starting with washed and stretched hair, and I stretched my hair by twisting it last night, the night before, and then I just untwisted it before doing this hairstyle. So you want to go ahead and section off a part of your hair that you want to braid, obviously, and I'm taking this edge control just to make it a little, wow, I can't speak English today, but basically just to make it a lot smoother and easier to braid because I have 4C hair. So at first I started using two strands of hair, and I just did not like how it wasn't as big as I wanted it. So during the hairstyle I switched and I started using 4 strands of hair, and I went back and I redid all the ones that had 2 strands of hair basically. So use 4 strands if you want to get that thickness. Okay, moving on. So to do this hair, you basically want to start with regular box braids at first. I cannot twist from the beginning, but if you can twist from the beginning, do that. That will make the hairstyle a lot finer, trust me. But I can't do that, so I'm starting off with braids, and I don't know how many times I did braids. Just braid to a good amount and then start twisting. So now that it's time for me to twist, I'm going to go ahead and divide my hair, and I'm going to put it into the 2 strands of the passion twist hair, and I'm going to start twisting. And because my hair is 4C hair, it's really coarse and really thick, so what I did here was basically twisting really tight throughout the parts that my hair was, and after that I just started to twist very loosely, which is what the passion twist is about anyways. So literally you're just rolling the hair on top of each other. You're not going to twist, don't do it like you're doing regular Senegalese twist. It's really not that deep. Anybody can do this. Just roll the hair around each other basically. So for the back of the hair, I did not do individuals throughout because bro, anybody got time for that? So I went ahead to crochet the back, and basically what you want to do is hook that hair onto the crochet pin and pull it through. You want to pull only one end of the crochet braid, or the passion twist hair rather, through your hair. Do you guys see what I'm doing? I'm really bad at explaining, but basically pull just one side, and you want to measure it to make sure that it is exactly the same size. This is very important. This is one of the most important parts of doing it as crochet. And once it's the same length, and like after you measure it, then go ahead and just start twisting. And with this one, with the crochet method, you don't have to braid at first because you're not trying to grip the root. So just start twisting. So it's easy. If you cannot cornrow, then definitely just do this method throughout your entire head, and it should work perfectly for you. So as you can see, this is going really fast. I'm doing it in real time. So just twist till you get to the end, and that's pretty much it, guys. Now that is pretty much all I did. This is how the hair turned out. So nice. This is how long the hair is. I'm 5'7", and it's getting just a little bit above my waist. Honey, this hair was just perfect. If you like this tutorial, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to like, subscribe. I just said thumbs up and like, you know what, just like, really means I mean it, okay? Like this video, subscribe, leave a comment before you leave, share this video with your friend, and just, show me some love. You know what I'm saying? Check out my other videos. Okay, I'm talking too much. I'll let you guys go right now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.